Income tax refers to the levy imposed on individuals and corporations. There are at least three types of income tax. 1. Individual income tax is also referred to as personal income tax. This type of income tax is levied on an individual's wages, salaries, and other types of income. 2. Business income tax is the tax levied on the annual income from businesses, is the business income tax. The calculation of taxable income for businesses is categorized into the normal provision and the presumptive taxation. 3. State and local income tax. Taxes imposed by the state government, like taxes on agricultural income, state excise duty, stamp duty, land revenue tax, professional tax, etc., are state government taxes. Local bodies are permitted to collect taxes like property taxes and taxes for using various services like water, drainage supply, etc.